Hello everyone. So now in this video we will start with Arduino. So first of all let's see what is Arduino. So Arduino is open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. It allows you to create interactive projects and prototypes with minimal efforts. Arduino boards are equipped with microcontrollers, which are the small computer chips that can be programmed to interact with inputs and outputs. So now let's quickly see the history of Arduino. So Arduino was created in 2005 by a group of students at IDII, Italy. So it was designed as a inexpensive, easy to use platform for creating interactive projects, particularly for those without a background. So it started as a some cheap, easy to use platform, but but now Arduino have a huge community and many IoT developers in every industry use Arduino for POC as well as some of them use it in a production also. So generally Arduino boards, Arduino hardware is programmed using Arduino IDE. So Arduino IDE is an interactive environment using which you can program your logic in language which is based on the C++. So if anyone knows C or C++, they can easily start programming in Arduino IDE, and as well as Arduino IDE provide easy way to upload your code from your system to Arduino boards. So now let's see some of the popular boards. So first one is Arduino Uno. So Arduino Uno is one of the most widely used and popular Arduino board. It is great choice for beginners as it is easy to use, has relatively low cost. The Arduino Uno has 14 digital input output pins and 6 analog inputs pin, a 16 megahertz quartz crystal and USB connection and power jack. So digital input output pins are those which we use to interact or send the data from our physical world to the controller, and same goes for the analog pins. So maybe by name only you must understood what is digital and analog pins. If we want to send and receive the digital data from our real world to controller, we use digital input output pins. But if input data is analog, then at that case we will use analog pins. So no need to worry, in future lectures I will explain this concept in depth by telling what is digital signals, what is analog signals, and also I will tell you about digital to analog converters. Now, second board is Arduino Mega. Arduino Mega is larger version of Arduino Uno with 54 digital input output pins, 16 analog inputs, and more memory, more processing power. It is good choice for projects that require more input and output pins or more processing power. The third board is Arduino Nano. So Arduino Nano is just an smaller version of Arduino Uno with all the similar, or I should say same functionalities. Arduino Mini is also even smaller version of Arduino Uno, but in Arduino Mini we don't have USB port for programming the controller. In case of Arduino Mini, we must use some external programmer to program Arduino Pro Mini. After that, we have Arduino Duo. So Arduino Duo is a board which can run full-fledged operating system. So it have 32-bit ARM Cortex M3 processor. And our last board is Arduino Leonardo. So the Leonardo board is designed for projects that required USB connections. It has built-in USB interface which allows to act as keyboard or mouse. It has only 20 digital input-output pins and 12 analog pins. So I would appreciate, or I would suggest, that you should read the data sheet of all these boards. So you can get the data sheets of this board by going to doc.arduino.cc website, and I will also provide the link in the description if you are watching in YouTube, and if you are watching this video from our course or from the lesson page, then you will get the link in lesson only. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.